Yes, Natalie?
Is it just me or is it really boring?
Yeah, I mean like, I'm gonna die of boredom. Hindi kayo pwede brahon?
Cynthia, any suggestions? Why don't we play frisbee?
What? It's freaking hot. Nakapoy na ko.
Oh, come on, KN. Just for fun, please. Yeah, I heard guys like girls player the side.
Fine. Pero mas kalbar na lang ako sa boring.
Natalie, ikaw na, sir. Hindi, kuya, si Cynthia lang.
Cynthia, ikaw na lang.
Fine. KN, catch.
What?
KN, what happened? What happened?
Di kayo mangunganiwag yung bubuan niya ko.
Oh my gosh, ano na tabo?
And you are?
I'm Leslie. Kag magulang ko ni si Brian.
Well, yung ba siya nga next time maghalong siya. Well, pasensya, gina kay Def nadaan lang ako na magulang. Di ba si Kaginang wala ya ka mo nabatian? Munauwi siya kabalo nga ara kagali sa likod ya. Sorry, Min. Well, next time, tangan mo man sa bisa ko publish para makontrol mo man sa... I can't believe ang ginapasugtan man na nila magatos mga public places sa mga pariw na sa magulang. Mga walking disasters na sila. You have no right to say that! The truth hurts, doesn't it? Ambi, paghalina ka mo di, hinaguba yun ang aura sa lugar, kagbasi mahawaan pang iban sa pagkamango sa utod mo. How dare you, ha? Get out of my face or I'll call the police! Fine. Malakat na lang kami. I don't want to stoop down to your level. Ano ginambaya? Girl, kamahilang wrinkles mo.
Uy! Uy! Okay ka lang? Ha? Ginadefend lang kakagina mo? Balaan mo kalaway man sa ginapangambal nila si mo. Balaan ko man, pero syempre, may mga times gidya nga hindi ko na kaya. Promise, next time, hindi na ko mag-cause sang gulo. Okay ka lang? Basi may lagnat ka? She's a witch! Ha? Ay, ewan ko sa'yo. Anghel guro nga may ikog. Pahuway na lang tabala. Kulang ka lang na sa tulog. Amo na kung ano-ano ginapambura mo.
Gosh, kadugay man to kanina. Nagitag kay Cynthia man. Call mo na lang gani. Wala pa nila ginasabat. Help! Oh my God. Natalie! Cynthia, help me! Brian, thank you so much! Thank you. Oh my gosh, naripat ko. Hindi ka galit ka pati, no? Wait lang ha, wait. Thank you sa pagbulig sa kon.
Brian!
tabo last time. And if it wasn't for your brother here, tanikway na ko di subong.
Well, tani next time, ma-realize mo man na it doesn't mean nga iba na sila sa inyo, freaks na sila, tao mo managapon mo.
Amo na gani, sorry, I'm so sorry sa last time. Kung tani pwede tuduan ko kung paano mag-sign language para mag-intindihan na kami na duwa. Ano ko nang balya?
Well, he said nga hindi siya ako no after what you said to him and that you're a crappy Fine. Nambalya, thank you kono and yes, naluan taka kono. Dahil nakilala na mo maghalin. Sorry ha. Bye. Brian, just na. Bye.
I can't believe that you have fallen for Brian. He seems to be not your type.
Well, he's not that bad. And besides, sweet siya.
Speaking of, pakadto naman di siya. Hi, Brian.
Yeah, kaginap akong kahulat. Hindi mo ko talo na. Bye, Natalie! Brian, oh my gosh, this place is so beautiful! I love it. So, tell me a secret. What? Seriously? Well, I'm not gonna live for more than 2 years. I wish I could, but I can't. Unless I find a donor. I was afraid, Brian. I've never been so happy in my entire life. Isang nabalad ko about sa sakit ko, I thought I had no hope. But then I met you. You, Brian, gave me a reason to live.
Oh, Brian, you're here. Ah, she's in the kitchen. So let me...
Let's check the vital signs. What's the status of my patient?
She had a severe heart attack.
We need to find a donor. If not, she might die.
But we don't have any donors.
Brian? Brian, where are you? Brian? Brian!
I'm here, Kayan.
Brian? Paano? I mean, you're
thinking?
Kian, I want you to remember something, and you promise me that you will never forget it.
Sure. What is it?
My parents always asked me what I wanted most in life. And after how many years, I had no answer. I never thought of anything that my parents could give that would end my miserable life. I look at the world like the universe. May beginning, no end. Para wala akong patutunguhan. But then I saw you. From the day I laid my eyes on you, I knew I found what I wanted.
Brian.
Just remember, no matter what happens, I'll be your personal star looking down the heavens.
What do you mean? Brian? Brian? Brian, where are you?
Mom, what happened? Oh, just relax, Kian. You had a severe heart attack and kinahanglan mo gid nga mangita sa heart mo.
Then, sinong donor?
Mom, sinong donor? Kian, he really did love you. Mom, tell me, who's the donor? And where's Brian? He was the one who gave you your heart. No, no, Brian. Brian. No, Brian. No.
Thank you for loving me. I owe my life to you, Brian. And I promise to love someone that is worthy for your heart to love.
Dali na. Kagina ka pa ta. Ready na ang salakyan.